Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen, to Pino's kitchen. I just want, if you have a potato home, I would like to share it. I tried this before and I really like it. It's just for a change, you know, if you want to change what you eat at home. So I have here two potatoes, like a little bit medium potatoes is here, and I just use this to make it to look like that. So you can, you know, actually mix it. I mixed here with the carrots and the zucchini. So you can use, or if you have time, you can cut with your hands. You know, it's small as that, but I think it can be very difficult. So this is the best way how to do it to look like that and smooth. So I have here one medium potato, and I have zucchini and a carrot. So in this, I'm gonna add a garlic clove, only one clove, small garlic. In this, I'm gonna add a little bit of the onions, just a little bit, you know, just to make that potato flavor. So, and in that, I'm adding a little bit of the coriander, grounded corianders, to make it like a taste. So I have one egg because otherwise it's not gonna combine. So we do one egg in this one. For me, for this portion is enough. One egg is enough. It depends how many people you're preparing the food for. So I have here the cornstarch. I'm not satisfied that one egg can combine this the way I want. So you don't need to add the cornstarch, but I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch. And then I'll be satisfied that this combined good. So now we go ahead and mix this. It's a very simple actually. So I'm making today the kind of the burger look of from these potatoes. So you know, I've tried before. It looks good for presentation. If you have a, you know, like something going on. If you have something going on over there, friends coming over, party or whatever you do, you try this one. Good for appetizers, starters, you know, try. So we mix as I'm mixing, and then I'm satisfied that it's mixed well. You know, you can also use a fork to mix this actually. So I have the things that I need here, and I can add a little bit, a pinch of salt actually, just to make the thing taste good. So now I'm gonna use my spoon. I have a baking tray which is greased oil. I'm gonna use this to shape because I want it to be round. So I'm gonna use my baking tray. So I'm using like just only 2 of this. So see, I'm just taking the spoon and using my shaper, and I just go ahead and make sure that it's flat, so that it's, when it's come out from the oven, it's nice and, you know, this round shape, which I like. It's my favorite look of, but you can always change, you know, we don't do same things all the time. We use a different shape, whatever you get home. Like whatever you have, you don't need to panic, go to the shop, oh, I don't have, I need to get. No, whatever you can use, a plate, you can use anything. All about manage what you have. So now, I only make 2. So now they look like that. So, you know, when you place this one in the oven, so they're gonna look, you know, when they come out from there, they're gonna, you know, they're gonna look so pretty. So I'm satisfied that this is gonna combine and it's gonna look so nice and brownish, a brownish color. So now we put in the oven. I preheated my oven in a, like kind of 180. I am baking these potatoes in the oven for 40 minutes. I don't know about your oven, but mine is 40 minutes. Let's go there. Yes. So now when it's finished there, it's gonna look like this. I have one I made earlier. So when it's finished there, it's gonna look just like this. Look at that, it's so beautiful. It looks like that. And I want to make a nice kind of a burger look out of this potato. So now I have here, I'm serving into this. I think I like, for a change, not to use a plate. So, and I am using this. I have 4 of this. You can use like, I want to make it like a higher, or maybe I make 2 of them. You can, it's up to you if you want to make like a double of them. So now let's see how it's gonna go. So here I have this, and I fried earlier my steak. I made my own steak. To make this steak, like this is like a minced meat steak. If you want to make to try to make yourself minced meat steak without buying it, you can always use the same method I have used for these potatoes. You say the same method, and then you just the same, like an oven, or you fry them. I think I prefer to fry them, my steak. So this is a minced meat steak. You can use any tuna fish, chicken minced meat. So I'm using the beef mince. So here I have my salad here, which I am gonna just first, I'm gonna use I have here some this salad, like kind of the dressing. Mayonnaise is in mayonnaise light. So I'm using it before I place my salad on this one. So it's just, you know, like kind of, I want it to look so good, so pretty. And I have here, you know, it's almost the same like you make a burger. So after that, we place the burger, one like kind of a steak. So it's there, hope you can see. So after that, I'm not satisfied yet, I want to add more. So now I'm adding a slice of tomatoes, or even one, you know, just whatever that suits. If you want more, if you want to eat double, then let's do that. So now I have this one, and now for me, I want the double, like a potato burger. I'm placing now another one after tomatoes. So because of there is a salt, everything that I did, I don't add salt into my tomatoes, to my fresh tomato, because then it's coming too much of the salt, which it doesn't make the food taste good anymore. So now I'm placing another slice of the potato right there. And you know what? I have this kind of the chutney I made earlier. I just added here the onions, fresh corianders, and tomatoes and salt. So I'm like a little bit spicy. I like the taste of the freshness of those tomatoes there, even if they're falling there on all around. Yeah. So if you want to add this one instead of the tomatoes, instead of these fresh tomatoes, the chutney I made earlier, so you can always add some more of the mayonnaise. So I'm not satisfied yet. Again, I want to add another steak. So if you just look at this, if you want bread, you can add bread though, but just like this is lighter, and you know, like I like the look of it. So again, you can always, you know, like go step by step and keep on adding and adding. Now I'm adding the last of my potatoes, but before I do that, I can always, you know, like add kind of, I can always add again another, like, look at that. Yeah, I add another, like my light mayonnaise. I choose the lighter. So now again, I'm finishing with another slice of the potato. So now this is it. And earlier I made this chutney. You can always, you know, like, you know, when you're eating this, you know, you just spread it all over there. And on top of that, also you can always, you know, add, if you don't want that, you can always add some, you know, your bacon on there. It looks good. Who doesn't like bacon? The bacon looks good. So if you just add it like this, and I made earlier the French fries. I know that the children, they would like that. So try it at home. If I'm trying home and I share with you guys, and if you want me to try something else with you, please subscribe so that we learn together. So now this is it. And how good looking is this? You know, from the something you just wake up, you think, okay, what I'm going to do? So seriously, this looks so good for me. Like, to me, you know, like, Look at that. So, you know, as usual, when you want to taste, we just add our caramba. And then now we just taste. I already add salt there. Guys, I don't know. I'm speechless because this is so good. And I cannot even... This one, you try it. Eat it with a fork and knife. I made my French fries myself. I'm tasting this. And I would like you to taste home. You try this. I'm really speechless. I don't know what to say. I cannot wait to taste this. That not tasting it, eat it all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're gonna try. And you know, you can always, you know, subscribe for more. And we can try anything, everything new together. And when I have idea, I'll share it with you. Thank you guys. Bye.